Welcome to your next dream home in the heart of one of Southern Metro Manila's most established communities, BF Homes. Today, we're taking you through an exclusive listing, a stunning, two-story minimalist masterpiece that blends European sophistication with tropical comfort. From the moment you arrive, you're welcomed by a clean, elegant facade. The design is intentionally sleek, no excess, just balance. Crisp lines, natural tones, and oversized windows allow natural light to flood the home, giving it a bright and open feel from every angle. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious open-plan layout, effortlessly connecting the living, dining, and kitchen areas. The interiors are outfitted with premium European furniture, minimalist yet luxurious, each piece carefully chosen to complement the home's modern design. The kitchen? A showstopper. With European cabinetry and high-end bathroom fixtures, this space offers not just functionality, but flair. Whether you're cooking for the family or entertaining guests, this kitchen is built to impress. Now, step outside and prepare to be impressed. The outdoor area is your own private sanctuary. A beautifully designed swimming pool sits at the heart of the backyard, framed by minimalist landscaping and lounge-ready space. Ideal for weekend barbecues, sunset drinks, or just a refreshing dip after a long day. Need to work from home? There's a dedicated office space, perfect for productivity and focus. Whether you're building your business, working remotely, or need a quiet corner for study, this flexible space is ready for you. Complete with Bose 7.1 speakers, two curved Samsung 32-inch ultra-high-definition monitors plus a Lenovo computer. Other features and inclusions of the home would be this floating design staircase made of acacia wood, a 55-inch curved Samsung TV by the living room, and air conditioning units all around the house. There are 3 bedrooms here upstairs, and each bedroom has its own toilet and bath as well as exquisite cabinetry. The home features 3 well-appointed bedrooms, each one a private retreat with warm wood accents, generous closet space, and large windows that let in plenty of natural light. One bedroom functions as a playroom complete with stereo surround sound. The playroom includes a billiards table and exercise machine, both included in the sale of the house. This room doubles as an entertainment room and includes a Cosmos 9-foot billiards table, complete with cue sticks and balls. It also has a Star Trek reclining stationary bike, a 37-inch Sony TV, and a 42-inch Sony TV with 6 speakers and amplifiers. Inside each bathroom, you are welcomed by a sophisticated interplay of textures and tones, with high-end slate tiles adorning both the walls and floors. These rich, natural surfaces create a serene, spa-like atmosphere, cool to the touch yet visually warm and grounding. The design is further elevated by sleek pedestal sinks that exude minimalist elegance, paired with wall-mounted toilets that enhance both form and function. Together, these carefully selected elements strike a balance between modern luxury and timeless refinement, turning a simple bathroom into a sanctuary of style and comfort. Each bathroom is thoughtfully outfitted with rain-designed dual shower heads positioned for optimal coverage. These dual fixtures provide excellent water pressure, enveloping you in a steady, invigorating flow, and is enhanced by the home's efficient water heating system, ensuring consistent warmth and comfort at all times. This combination of thoughtful design and reliable performance turns every shower into a rejuvenating ritual. The master suite is particularly special, a true sanctuary within the home. Step into a space that's both expansive and serene, thoughtfully designed to be your personal retreat from the outside world. But what truly elevates the master suite is its stylish ensuite bathroom, a luxurious space that feels more like a private spa. Outfitted with imported European fixtures, every detail reflects premium craftsmanship, from the elegant rainfall shower system and sleek double vanities, to the seamless finishes on the countertops and cabinetry. Everything you see, furnitures and all, are included in the sale. This home isn't just about aesthetics. It's also about lifestyle. Located within the secure and sought-after BF Homes, you're close to top schools, shopping centers, restaurants, and major roads, giving you convenient access to Alabang, Makati, BGC, and even the airport. Whether you're a growing family, a modern professional, or a discerning investor, this property offers the perfect blend of style, comfort, and function, all in a location that continues to rise in value. So if you're ready to elevate your lifestyle, this is more than just a house, it's a statement. Schedule a private viewing today and see why this minimalist gem could be your next perfect address. For more information on this home or for a private viewing, please call Richie Ramos, with PRC Brokers License 0025641 on Viber and WhatsApp at 09179002-763, or at mobile number 096248544637.